Alright, so I started with the front ones. That's what the back one looked like. Front. A little more difficult in the front because they're curved because of the... They look pretty good. The G8 again. Start the car. Light does come through, not too bright, but it does come through. This is the darkest one they got, so this one I had a little issue in this corner. Have to heat it up a little bit. This one kind of went in pretty good there. I think I rushed this one a little bit too much. Anyway, we'll get onto these. Get on these back ones now. See how they come out. So I kind of screwed up on the front one there. I got an extra. I might do the other passing the driver's side front. It's kind of screwed up. I have to do that again, I think. It doesn't look like it went in there right. Maybe I gotta heat it up a little bit. Stuff is like electrical tape. That's what it's like, black electrical tape. Let me start it up. Start it up. Maybe I don't have enough gas. Won't start. I think somebody said if you don't have enough gas, it doesn't start, but I don't know. I did set the alarm off, so maybe that's why. Yeah, I got plenty of gas. I'll do a video on my dash cam in a minute. Next one. The headlights on. That's weird. There we go. They go through, not too bright, but back in auto. Sorry about this video being such half-assed, but kind of hot. And I did the cold air intake mod today, so I'm kind of tired. But anyway, see you in a little bit.